Are there any factors that would make a location a non-starter for you?
In a way, some towns, I think being on the main road isn't as appealing to being in where the people are. Like
Really?
Logansport has a main drag that I'm on one of the main roads, but I'm in the residential area
Mhm.
where there's a two pizza places on the blocks north of me, and that's about it. But you go up another mile, you have all the fast food and retail. So I would stay out of those areas, and other operators would love to have those. But then again, um, I get, and then there's also being in a residential area on the dead side of town that may not be as beneficial either, because if some people don't even know you exist that live 2 miles away because they always go the other direction. In Laundromat with marketing, like my dad always says, people don't drive by a laundromat and say, I need to go do laundry.
Right.
People, might drive by fast food and, want to try a new establishment, but laundry, it's hard for somebody, just to drive by and think they want to go do laundry at a laundromat instead of doing it at
Right.
their house. So,
Yeah, it's not an
it-
impulse purchase.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Good, good, good.